Hello everyone, this is Nishon and the topic is sets. Sets. A set is a collection of distinct objects or numbers. Example is A, B, C, D. Another example is 2, 4, 6, 7, 10. This is the tabular form. And the set builder form is x such that x is an even natural number less than 12. Here we can see that all these numbers are the even natural numbers less than 12. So the set builder form is x such that x is an even natural number less than 12. Equal sets. If A is equal to 3 minus 4 5 and B is equal to minus 4 3 5, then A will be equal to B. Here the number of elements should be equal and the elements should be same. Another example is if A is equal to ABC and B is equal to 1 2 3, then A doesn't equal to B because the number of elements are equal but they are not same. Another example is if A is equal to ABC and B is equal to 0, 1, minus 1, then A doesn't equal to B. Again here the number of elements are equal but they are not same. Equivalent sets. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to minus 1, 1, 2, 3, then A must be equivalent to B. Here the number of elements should be equal, but if they are not same, it's okay. That is not important that the number of elements should be same, but this is important that the number of elements should be equal. Note if A is equal to B, then A is also equivalent to B. Finite and infinite sets. Finite set, the set which we can count, and those sets which have limits, so these are called the finite sets. Here example is 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D. And infinite sets, those sets which we can count and which have no limits. For example, 1, 2, 3 and so on is an infinite set. 1, 4, 7, 10 and so on is an infinite set. A, B, C and so on is an infinite set. Those sets which we can count and which have limits are called finite sets, and the sets which we can't count and which have no limits, then sets are called infinite sets. Power set. The power set of set S, denoted by PS, P is for power and S is the set, is a set containing all the subsets of S. For example, S is equal to minus 1, 0, 1. The possible subsets can be found by 2 power n formula. Here n is 3 because the number of elements is 3 minus 1, 0, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 3. 2 power 3, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So the power set is empty, minus 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 0, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 0, 1. Empty set is the subset of every set.